Okay, we're gonna add some butter. Once it boils, we're gonna add the rice. You're gonna simmer and cook it for 30 minutes. We're gonna add some onions. We're gonna add some ground beef. Whoa. Gonna add some ground pepper. Add some salt. I'm gonna add some beef stock around the meat. We're gonna add some garlic. Look, our meat is getting brown. We're gonna mix the seasoning. You need 2/3 of water and the mix. And you pour on the meat. You want to mix it well. This smells so delicious. Our meat is ready. Our rice is ready. And mixed vegetables. Mix the vegetables really good. Let's make our tostadas. We're gonna add some rice first. Then you add ground beef. Now for the taste test.
Damn.
And also, this is my friend Julian. And you're my brother.
Thank you. It's actually really good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's amazing. This one for me. I like mine with queso fresco and tapatio. So yummy with tapatio. Very good. Yeah, real good. Today's shout out goes to Tio Henry and Tia Mara. Thank you for watching my videos. And also make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And also